The president's pick is Markwayne Mullin, the senator from Oklahoma. Markwayne Mullin is a former MMA fighter and a plumber. Before this, he had a plumbing business. Trump loves watching him on TV, and I agree. I love watching him on TV, too. In the same way I loved watching Honey Boo Boo on TV. We have seen a good bit of Senator Mullin over the past couple of years, and let's just say that Markwayne is no Mark Twain.
When you're talking about drinking at 10 in the morning, that's a drinking problem. Now,